During the first semester of EY 2023-2024, she obtained general weighted average of 1.71. And another certificates will be awarded by your program chairperson, Mrs. Valerie A. Paloy. Ma'am.
Again, congratulations, Batch and Mayora. Again, another certificate po is from Anne and Ma'am Crizel. Kanina, the awards based on the academic performances. But for the next award, first I will be awarding the Best OJT Training during your Practicum 1 in Baguio City. So the basis here is your evaluation. It's doon sa inyong institution, hotel kung saan kayo nag-OJT. So allow me to read the content of the certificate. Republic of the Philippines, Kalinga State University, College of Entrepreneurship, Tourism, and Hospitality Management. Of course, this efficiency award to Justine L. Cosme for outstanding performance in Practicum 1 in Baguio City, Philippines, contributing to the attainment of the goals and objectives of the college and the university mid-year term 2024, given this 27th day of September 2024. Signed, yours truly, the program chair and the college dean, Dr. Karen Russell M. Duyan. With the parents po. Ang kanyang hotel po, kung saan sa nag-OJT is Forest Lodge. The same efficiency award is awarded to Arme P. Dalo. Arme P. Dalo po nag-OJT sa Manor. Efficiency award is also given to Jezel M. Daos. Efficiency award is also given to Mevash C. Hossein.